7 reasons why you should be using coconut oil. For centuries, people in tropics use coconut oil in their routine diet. They use a tremendous amount of coconut oil in their daily routine. It helps them to stay healthy rather than getting fatter. When they try to intake other oil rather than coconut oil, they have to face some health problems that threaten our modern society. Health benefits of coconut oil. It does not increase the fat amount in your body. It consists of medium-chain triglycerides, MCT, which can quickly burn during routine work. Other cooking oils include long-chain triglycerides, LCT. LCTs, which stored in the form of fat in your body. Coconut oil can easily be absorbed and converted into energy quickly. Increases your metabolism. Coconut oil not only transforms into energy in the body faster, it tries to improve your metabolism through which you can quickly reduce your weight. It allows your body to burn fat more efficiently as it enhances metabolism. Improve calorie burning process. Because the coconut oil is a medium-chain triglyceride, MCT, so it converts into energy easily and generates a lot of heat. According to the research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, MCTs burn 3 times more calories than LCTs. Easy to digest. Medium-chain triglyceride MCT oil consists of medium-length chains of fats known as triglycerides. Due to their size, they are easy to digest. Many health benefits are linked to the manner your body processes from these fats. Women's World magazine stated on the 15th of February 2015 that coconut oil is the secret of high metabolism. Coconut oil is also beneficial for those people who are suffering from thyroid problems, since it improves the production of extra thyroid hormones. Contains omega-3 fatty acids. Most of the cooking oils like soybean contain omega-6 fatty acids. The recommendation for omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids in the diet is 4:1 or under that ratio. Nevertheless, the Western diet has a rate between 10:1 and 50:1. We should try to take omega-3 instead of omega-6 to stay healthy. Coconut oil contains plenty of these omega-3 fatty acids. Gives you energy. Because it improves the metabolism and contains plenty of omega-3, people are now switching from other oils to coconut oil. It gives energy to your body, which is essential to do your routine tasks. Thermogenesis is promoted by MCT, which enhances the metabolism of the body and produces energy. Contains antibacterial and antifungal effects. Some research studies have explored it before making that conclusion. These effects are good for the skin. It is not oxidized. Most oil oxidizes and turns rotten rapidly, making our body endure free extreme harm. Coconut oil is not oxidized. It does nothing like polysaturated vegetable and canola oils that form free radicals when heated. There is a belief that free radical damage is responsible for many diseases in our bodies. An example, an illness due to free radicals is cancer. Coconut oil promotes the absorption of other nutrients, including vitamin E in our bodies. Beneficial for cooking. The smoke pot of coconut oil is higher than olive oil. Due to this oil can consume better temperatures. We may choose to take some safe omega-3 such as flag and olive oil, but the heat we use for the cooking is extreme. In higher cooking temperatures, it is essential to use it. It is more difficult for coconut oil to get rotten. Summary: coconut oil is right for your skin and hair. You can easily use and apply coconut oil on hairs and any skin surface. It gives relief to your skin issues like reddishness and swelling. Besides, these oil nourishes and softens your skin, therefore leading to a younger look. The antioxidant properties found in this substance helps to reduce your skin issues. For example, yeast infections. In many countries, spas use this product for oil massage.